Today in this video we'll see how to make Collage app in Android mobile phone. You can easily collect many photos in by using this app. This is amazing and outclass app for Android to collect your photo and Collage Maker app. This is the interface of app. I tell you the method and which app you can download. This is the amazing interface. Just click on Collage to create Collage. Select the all picture you want to collect in Collage and one photos, and you can select many more photo. After selecting this, just click on next button and I close this ad. And here you can see many different setting and outclass setting. Select your favorite and I select this. You can easily edit or manage this and edit border, ratio, layouts and many more. I select this and after select, just click on save. Method how to download this app: just click on Play Store, type on search bar. Here you can see type Collage Maker and search, and here you can see Collage Maker photo editor, and you can download this app by following some simple step. This is amazing and outclass app for Collage Maker app. And if you like this video, share our video with friends. In this channel you learn many tips and tricks video related to social media apps. Thank you. Goodbye.